What is golden hour? So golden hour is when the sun is at the perfect angle, creating a golden effect. This usually happens the first hour of sunrise or the last hour of sunset. And here's an example of golden hour. Why do people shoot at golden hour? Well, first of all, it's trendy. So a lot of people like this look because they've seen it in movies and they know it's really popular. And that leads us into point number 2, which is that it creates a cinematic look. Because that sun is at a very specific angle, it's going to create that golden look, which, like I said, is very popular in movies. And finally, it's because the light isn't as harsh. At these specific times of day, the light isn't shining directly on your subject. Instead, it's coming at an angle which doesn't create as hard of shadows. So what are some tips for shooting at golden hour? Well, first off, you're going to want to shoot at a 45 to 90 degree angle with your subject and the sun. So let's say the light right here is the sun and I'm the subject. You're going to want your camera around this area that I have it located. This is going to create depth on the subject. So I'm bright over here and I'm dark over here, so it looks 3-dimensional instead of 2-dimensional. Another tip is to look for shadows to shoot in. If you're able to find a shadow to shoot in, then it's going to make that soft light even softer, and you still should have that golden glow. And my third and final tip is that you should give yourself enough time, because golden hour goes by quick. So are you going to try shooting at golden hour? Tell me in the comments below. And that's going to be it for today's 1-minute photo tip. If you like this video and want to see more 1-minute photo tips, please follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and always remember to capture great moments.